For the purposes of this demonstration, I have opened report 3 and I have already done the changes indicated as far as changing focus to emphasis may appear and putting in the header and the byline, and I'm ready now to go to the point where it says place these footnotes after the red words. And so I am going to click at the end of the red word, so this is going to be the spot after communicating, and I'm going to put in a footnote. Now the footnote is going to indicate where the source came from. To do this, I'm going to click on references and then insert footnote and type it in. It's going to be your name, comma, and then I'm typing in the first footnote. Now when I finish the footnote, it's important that you type a period and then also hit the enter key. That's an important part of this. I'm going to find the next place where I have red, so I'm going to go back to my document. As I look, do you see how now there's a raised 1 after the word communicating, and actually when I point to it you can see the footnote itself. So I'm going to scroll down and find the second one, which happens to be toward the bottom of page 1. So I'm clicking my insertion point there. Notice my footnote is at the bottom. So now I'm ready to put in another one, so I'm going to click insert footnote, and I'm going to type where this 2 is at down here. The second one is the Eva Bartel one, so here I go. Again, when I get to the end, I want to type a period and an enter. And then I'm going to find my third and final place to insert a footnote, which happens to be here on page 3, and it's the word newsletter followed by a question mark. So that's my third spot. So I'm going to insert a footnote. This is number 3. And I'm typing. Period, enter. Okay, now as I'm doing this, and if I had 10 or 15 footnotes, I would do them all in this manner. Then I'm going to click back into my document. As I scroll through, you can see the footnotes. They have to be on the same page as the raised number, and that's what's happening. So I'm going to go to draft mode. So I'm going to click on draft. I'm going to now click, I'm in the reference tab, and I'm going to click on show notes. And if I had 20 footnotes, they would all be down in this footnote pane, P-A-N-E. So what we need to do now is make these match the point size and the typeface of the body, which is Times New Roman 12. So I'm actually in the footnotes. I'm going to go Control A to select all of my footnotes at one time. And I can actually go to the home button, I can go to font, and I can choose 12 for my point size. If I needed another font, I could do that here. I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to paragraph, indents and line spacing, special, and say first line indent, and OK. To get out of the footnote pane, I'm going to click on this X, and that will take me back. I want to go to Print Layout View, and now as we scroll through this, notice that our footnotes are indented 1/2 inch, they're in 12 point, and we're good to go. Okay, and I'm going to stop the demo at this point.